YouTube, how you guys doing today? It's your boy Reese back here with another video, as you can freaking see. Guys, today I have something exciting for you guys. I've got a drone, guys. I've got a DJI Mini SE. I'm not sure as to how many of you guys know what this is. This is actually a drone that is used to capture camera footage from up in the sky. This drone only weighs 249 grams. That is because, of course, in some countries they have some rules that you're not allowed to fly a drone over 250 grams. So yeah, of course I was a bit too excited, and I actually opened the drone before doing an actual unboxing of this drone, because I mean, it's a drone, it's a DJI Mini SE, guys. I'm gonna quickly open this box for you guys and show you guys what comes inside. Of course, I went for just the DJI Mini SE and not the combo. I know a lot of people say the combo is better, but I don't find it reasonable to pay so much more money and you just get a battery pack and a case. I mean, it's not worth it. Let's leave it aside and let me just show you what comes inside. So of course, first when you open the box itself, you get your DJI Mini SE and the controller. That's the two things that you just need. You just need the controller and you need the DJI drone itself. When I took this drone out of the box for the first time, I mean, I was quite impressed with the quality. The quality is quite good quality, guys. As you guys can see, it's not cheap plastic. It's quite hard plastic. I think this is even rubber if I'm not mistaken. But for me, yeah, guys, this is an amazing controller. I'll show you guys this in a second. Let me just show you guys the drone itself. So, this is the drone itself. It comes with a camera protector. And, of course, the wings open out, as some of you guys already know. So, this is what the drone looks like with the wings open. I did fly it before. The quality is incredible. Also, the drone itself is very stable in the air. I actually never opened the rest of the box. So, from what I can see is you get some junk, which we don't ever read, of course. Some more junk, which we don't ever read. And a box. Let's see what's in here. Okay, so I think this is the USB cable to charge the actual drone itself. You get a set of propellers in case you crash the drone, which I already did. Let's see what else. This is a USB cable. I think this is used to charge the controller. Yes, this is used to charge the controller. You also get 2 extra sticks for the controller. A screwdriver made by DJI as well. Wow, I never know it comes with this. This is actually quite cool, guys. And of course, if you're an iPhone or Android user, you're gonna need these to connect it to your mobile device. So let's get back to the controller, guys. Let me just show you how cool this thing is, because I was really impressed with the design. To open the antennas, you just slide it out and slide it up this way. And then the bottom pieces come out. Of course, this is where your mobile device is gonna sit, like it shows on the box there, guys. You also get the joysticks, which fit right under, which then screw on to the controller itself. I was very impressed with the quality of the joysticks. They feel like a PlayStation and Xbox controller. It's really good quality, and I think DJI did an amazing job with this drone. So I'm just gonna take you guys for a quick flight with this drone. I just want to show you guys the camera quality and how amazing this drone is. Of course, I'm going to be honest about it, because DJI or Apple, none of the companies are paying me. So yeah, what I say about the drone is what I actually mean, guys. Let's go. So as you guys can see, we're actually at an open platform. I got the drone here in my hand, guys, and I got the controller. There's a lot of animals around here. I'll show you guys that in a second. But yeah, let's just go straight into the drone footage. Let's go.
In the beginning, it was like we were glued to each other, yes we were. And in a room full of people, we lost our sight. We're only us and no others, only us.
So guys, we just got done with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. In my opinion, the camera quality for this drone is quite amazing. I did shoot the video in 2.7K because a lot of reviewers said that it's better quality in drone world. So yeah, I did actually shoot the video in 2.7K instead of 1080p. But unfortunately guys, we can't shoot more footage with the drone because as you guys can see outside, it's starting to rain. But yeah, in the future you guys are going to see a lot more drone footage in my future videos with this exact drone, guys. But anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and subscribe. I love you all. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, goodbye. See you.